Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we will see how to uninstall Jupyter Notebook installed using Miniconda on Windows. To uninstall Jupyter Notebook, first open the Anaconda prompt. So go to the Start menu, press Windows key. This brings up the Start menu. Here open Anaconda prompt. So now Miniconda, which is the Anaconda prompt, is launched. Now we need to activate the environment in which Jupyter Notebook was installed. So first let us activate the environment. To do this, type the command Conda space activate space myenv, which is the name of the environment, and press enter. So this command will activate the environment myenv. So now we need to uninstall Jupyter Notebook. So to uninstall Jupyter Notebook, type the command Conda space remove space notebook. So this is the command to uninstall Jupyter Notebook. Type this command and press enter. So now the command is running and the uninstallation is in progress. So it is asking to proceed. So press Y and press enter. Wait for the command run to get completed. So now Jupyter Notebook is uninstalled. After the uninstallation is done, we need to clean the cache. So to do this, type the command Conda space clean space -- all. So this command will clean the Conda cache. So type this command and press enter to run it. So it is asking to proceed. So press Y and press enter. Press Y and press enter again. So press Y and press enter again. Wait for the command run to get completed. Okay, so now the Conda cache is cleared. After this, we need to verify if the Jupyter Notebook uninstallation was successful. So to do this, type the command Jupyter space notebook and press enter. So here you get the output as Jupyter is not recognized as an internal or external command or batch file. So this confirms that Jupyter Notebook is uninstalled successfully. So once we have activated the environment and uninstalled Jupyter Notebook, we need to deactivate it. So for this, type the command Conda space deactivate and press enter. So this will deactivate the environment myenv. So now you can see that the myenv environment is deactivated and it is switched back to the base environment. Okay, so these are the steps we need to follow to uninstall Jupyter Notebook installed using Miniconda on Windows. I have prepared a reference guide with the steps that we have discussed in this video. You can also refer that. I will be sharing the link to this reference guide in the description. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel.